All right, let's go ahead and get going. Hey, everyone, and welcome to this free web class. My name is John Crestani, and I'm excited you're here today because on this call, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to making $10,000 or more in passive online income using what I call profit cycles. Now, the good news is this is something that can be done from home without a lot of hard costs, without a lot of experience, and without a lot of capital to get started with your new business on. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how our students have been making around $5,000 to $6,000 using completely free methods. I'm also going to show you how you can scale this business to $10,000 or more per month, and how some of our students are doing so. And some of our students are even doing $10,000 a day using this method. So what you're going to see today is a much easier and faster way for the average person that doesn't really have a lot of time to put into starting a new business. So really anyone can get started. And in the interest of time, I want to do a few things here. First, I want to show you proof that this works. Now, I know there's a lot of fluff and BS on the internet these days, and I hate that I have to do this, but I just want to take a moment to show you that we practice what we preach and really prove to you that this is real.
Okay, folks, so as you see, I just logged into my account here to show you what's possible applying this system. Now, as you see, I've been able to earn a significant amount of money in just 1 year period using this system.